So I know you see the shirt. Do what you gotta do because it's that simple. Yeah, go to Twalkdahulk pick you up one. Use the code GR8JSMO for 15% off. Let's get into the video. What up, YouTube? It's your boy GR8JSMO. We're gonna try something new. A little bit of overhead, a little bit of better quality, but we got a box in the mail. Now, I know the box is a little banged up, but that's okay because it's got packaging and the box is insured. So, let's get into the box. Alright. Cut it straight, cut it straight. Come on, there it is. There it is. Now listen, I just got off work, so don't go saying anything about, you know, oh, he got ashy hands. You know, I know. Listen, it's a whole new style of doing things. Oh, baby. Now, you know, I got the update, so I kind of know who it's from, but as you can see, ooh, baby, I like it like that. I like it like that. Alright. So, as you can see, you know, with the packaging, I wasn't too worried about the box being a little banged up. So, let's take a look. Get that out of there. Get that out of there. Now, I know y'all like the setup. You know, setup is alright. You know, I got a nice little table. We ain't worried about that. This is what we worried about, okay? We were about these buds. You know what I'm saying? Bud. Look at that twinkle, boy. Look at the twinkle. It's twinkling. Twinkling. So I got two of them. As you saw in the last video, I wound up getting two of these Galaxy watches. And the reason why I got two was one for me, one for the wifey. Now, I was going to get two phones, but that was just going to be way too expensive. So, we'll set one over here. Let's take a look at the box, alright? Alright, so we got some truly wireless earbuds, 6 hours of playtime. Packaging includes the earbuds, left and right, charging case, wing tips, you got 3 sets, earbud tips, 3 sets, USB-C cable, quick start guide. This works on Android and iOS, so it's compatible for both. Use smartphone, tablet, running Android 5.0 or higher. This has 1.5 gigs. I'm sorry, and your tablet or your tablet or phone has to have at least 1.5 gigs of RAM or above. Seamless Bluetooth connection, ambient sound mode, only available for Android. So if you have an iOS, you can't use the ambient sound mode or the seamless Bluetooth connection. There's also voice command. You can use Siri, or you could use, So you can also use the voice command / Siri. It's available for Android and iOS. I'm sorry. Okay. So, where are we at? There we go. I don't know if you guys can even see this. It's Bluetooth. Is the registered trademark. Okay, so and then Samsung 2019. All right. Here we go. 6 hours of playtime. With 7 hours in the charging case. There we go. So 6 hours of playtime, 7 hours with the charging case, clear call quality, and wireless charging, designed for comfort and stability. Now, I have seen a few reviews on this, and those reviews have said that the call quality isn't the best. You know, you do get better call quality with the Apple AirPods, but I don't have an iPhone that you know, I want to use. You know, I got my work phone, but I ain't using that. That's not my personal, you know, it's not my personal phone. So let's open this bad boy up. A little tape at the top and a little tape at the bottom. Ooh, look at that knife. Ben and Molly's over at the Berlin Mart. Go check them out. Okay. Let's see. It's gonna open up. Ooh, 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 ooh! It's falling. It's falling. So that was there. Okay. Let's try that again. Ooh! Look at that boy. All right. So got a little pull tab in here. So this must be the quick start guide. Let's see. Quick start guide, Galaxy Buds. This should be pretty easy. I don't think I'm gonna need to go through this that much. But I mean, if you look at it, you know what's in the box. You know, your charging case. I've seen a ton of videos. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a ton of videos. Red, 30% or below. What is charging, or below 30% battery. Green is fully charged, or above 60%. Yellow is between 30 and 60. Flashing red, charging is disabled due to abnormal temperature, or low charging case battery. Okay. All right. So what else do we have here? We have the charging case. You know, the contacts. Oh, okay, cool. So here's the gestures. Single tap, play and pause. Double tap, next song, or answer calls or end calls. Triple tap goes to the previous song. Tap into hold is your digital assistant. Launch Bixby, Google, reject calls. Yeah, okay. Download the app, Gear Wearable. I already have that because I have the watch. And then we can go ahead and connect. So the audio is about to get a little bit worse because once I open these up, they will try to connect to my phone, and I'm using my phone to record audio. Maybe I'll learn one day to use something else. But let's take a look. What's in the white box? So inside the white box, all right, I see a USB-C cord. There you go. USB-C. Let's take that out. Ooh-wee. It's that Samsung USB-C. Black on black on black. Alright. What else is in here? Oh, all the wing tips. Oh, come on. There you go. All the wing tips. So you got the little wings that go around the earbud and the earbuds themselves. So I only see. Okay, so there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. So there must be some already on here. So let's open these up. Uh-oh. Whoa. So we're gonna take these out real quick, just because. So this is a little stiff to open up. You know, as you saw, I kind of juggled it around. These are pretty small. You know. But so it already comes with little rubber tips and fins. So this is where they get 3. So you get 2 in the box, and then you get 1, you know, already on the device. So I'm gonna pause real quick, get my phone set up and ready so that we can go ahead and connect these to the phone. All right, so we're back in. Let's see if we can get this to pair up right away. Up. Stop it. Y'all saw that, right? Yo, I haven't done anything. I paused it to clear off the table because, you know, I had a bunch of stuff up here. But I just opened it. Let's hit connect. Stop. Now I have that Galaxy Wearables app because I got the Gear Fit 2 Pro. But yo, this is crazy. That's wild. That is, yo. Listen, if you have a Galaxy device, buy the Galaxy Buds for this reason and this reason alone. Let's get that out of there. Alright. Okay, so I have the Galaxy S8, so it's really laggy. So we will hit agree. I think I hit it too many times. Manage your notifications. Alright, yeah, we hit next. Yeah, we'll do all apps because, oh, look at that. Phone dying, I better hurry up. So we will do tap to play and pause. Okay, so it's just telling you how to use it. We already went over that with the user guide. You're all set. That's so crazy. Alright, so they said that there's something in the EQ. Wow, look at it. Oh, wow, it even shows the percentage of both batteries. Let me see, what do I have? I have 95% in both batteries. Dynamic, clear, treble, soft. Let's see, I like bass. Notifications, touchpad, find my earbuds. Alright, so let's give this a view update. Is it an update? Install the update. Let's install the update first. Just because, you know, I want to make sure that I'm getting the best out of this thing. This is my first time buying a pair of Samsung headphones or earbuds, or, you know, an external accessory other than a watch for Samsung. And I actually bought these directly from Samsung. Normally I buy stuff off of Amazon, but this one I got directly from Samsung. So we'll take a quick break and we'll come back once this is all, you know, all done. Alright, so we're back. So the software update is done. Your earbuds will disconnect. Let's see. Your earbuds will disconnect from your phone when the update starts. Once the update is complete, your earbuds will reconnect automatically. So it said they'll reconnect automatically. Let's see how long this takes. You see the time at the top, it says 6:11. Looks like they're already connected. Cool. So let's try this out. So this is the left earbud, this is the right. Let's see how it fits. These are the stock earbuds. Whoa, I already hear a little chime. So the ambient sound. Let's see. Stay aware of your surroundings by not canceling out the background noise. What? Voice focus? Yeah, this is so crazy. I can hear myself in my own ears. Yo. This is crazy. This is crazy. So let's go ahead and see if we... Yo, I love using the app's Edge. This is where I keep all my stuff. Let's go to video. We'll go to YouTube. Okay, let's go to my subscription. Uh-oh. Who that? Hungry Squad. Got like a 17-minute video on there. Vegan Zombie. Listen, even though I'm not vegan anymore, I still watch a lot of vegan. Portable Xbox. Uh-oh. What's up? That Lena. Back in effect. Bam Bam. Micro She. Let's see. Who do I want to watch? I know I'm just scrolling through. Like, y'all don't have something else to do. Let's go to my videos. We'll pull up a real quick GREJS. Oh, look at that, look at that. So this one is still private. They don't sound that loud. You know what else? I got that ambient mode on so I can hear everything. Oh, so when you twist it, it gets deeper in your ear. Oh, play and pause. Double tap. Okay. Oh wow, so I could get right here into the menu. Let's turn that off. There we go. A little bit of noise cancellation. Alright, cool. Look at that. Alright, that's not bad. So, who is it? Floss. Floss always talks about the latency. So, let's see. Something where they got some voices. Let's open up Mobdro. If you don't know about Mobdro, you better learn. You better learn. You got an iPhone? Oh well. Listen, look at this phone. Look at this phone. It's been through hell and back. And I really should get a new one. Oh man. So let's see. It's a little low. I wish the volume was louder. But let's be honest. You know, y'all came to the channel, you know, because you want my honest opinion. Is this the microphone? Can y'all hear it? Not bad, not bad. You know, I definitely wish that it was louder. Let's try some music out. Floss, I watch a lot of his stuff, and he says he likes the music. But okay, ear drummers. Hold up. Let's go back to, hold on. Hold up. Okay. Nah, it don't sound that loud. I'm not gonna lie, it don't sound that loud. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Alright, so I could play and pause the music, but this don't really sound that loud. He got good farm. Yeah, Nikki. Uh-huh. Come on, man. He's just in my ear. I need to hear it, boy. I need to hear it. Let's turn everything else up. I'm gonna try something. Let's try something. See, because the way I got mine set up might be, you know, not that great. So let's see. Sound quality and effects. Come on, man. Oh, wow. Okay. That turns it down. Tube amp, bro. Surround sound. Yo, everything sounds so much better. Okay. Let's see. I know, y'all can't see. I'm sorry. So, I turned off these things and it got louder. It's still not as loud as I want it to be. It's good, but I don't know, man. Oh, okay. Alright. So what do I think? They alright. You know what I mean? Like, I got some little cheapos. And I'm not gonna call them cheapos. The ones that I got from Amazon, the $50 ones. I think that the other ones that I have get louder. Maybe I gotta find a better fit. Maybe I gotta twist them in a little bit more. I just don't feel like they get as loud as I want them to get. You know, like I want this to be like rattling my brain. But listen, I'm gonna keep these. I'm happy with it. You know, it is what it is. Won't nobody talking to you. Shut your mouth, girl. So.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Won't nobody talking to you. See, you see how hard-headed. You see what I'm saying? Alexa, calm down. But yeah, they are. I mean, listen, I can't complain. I like some. I like how quick they pair up. They wireless. You know, they got that wireless charging. I don't have a wireless charger handy, but they charge up wirelessly. They pair it instantly. Like if you have a Samsung phone, this is the S8. If you have an S8 or above and you buy these, all you have to do is open up the little thing. Now, when I first opened it, they fell out. But I'm telling you, open it up and they will pair immediately. It's insane how quick they are. But I think because of that ambient noise or that ambient feature, and I don't know, maybe I got to mess around with the settings. It just didn't bump as loud as I wanted to. Give me a couple days and you know, I'll go ahead and give you, you know, a little bit of an update. But Galaxy Buds, I mean, they good. They good. If you got a Samsung device, yeah, they good. I kind of want to try out some more wireless earbuds just because I feel like I'm missing out on something. But anyway, this is your boy GR8JSMO, and I'm out.
Yo, I ain't gonna front, you know what I'm saying? Nigga living. It's about time. C&P, shit's going my way, you know what I mean? There ain't nothing like it. Yeah. There ain't nothing like paying the bills on time. Enough dough left to know that we still gonna shine, but it's never enough.